A future glimpse of a smooth experience, something that can't be said about the present path to getting there. The Mournes gondola, a proposed multi-million-pound investment that has divided a town and county. This is close to where the gondola would start from in Donard car park in Newcastle. It would make the 1 kilometre journey from here up Slieve Donard, where it would go to a disused quarry site where the visitor centre would be built. Now, on a day like today, chances are you wouldn't really see much from up there, but you would be much drier than if you decided to walk it. Arguments for and against the project have rumbled on, but are now reaching new heights. Without the National Trust on board, the project stalls. Now, one of its most senior officials here says not enough evidence has been presented about its potential impact on the landscape. Frustration has now led to a pause in engagement with the local council.
The impact on wildlife, the impact on all aspects of nature, and indeed water quality and the broader environment. So we've raised those concerns consistently with the council. We've also shared information both from our sources and from government sources with the council, but in the absence of detailed information on what the project will entail, we've had to prioritise other areas in the Mournes, such as the longer term management and wildfire recovery.
The Mournes Gateway project is estimated to cost £44 million, with the majority of that money coming from the Belfast Region City deal. The remainder has been pledged by Newry, Mourne and Down District Council. Earmarked as a boost for tourism, but for some, this latest move signals the need for a new approach.
Real consideration has to be given to alternatives. We have no problem with the visitor centre in the correct location. It would obviously augment the town, augment the area, but the base station and the gondola element of this are just too intrusive.
In a statement, the council said it had shared all the environmental information that it held with the National Trust and acknowledged that the environmental concerns they have raised are shared by the council and are being fully considered and will be addressed as part of the development of the environmental impact assessment. Results of that assessment, currently being carried out, are expected to be released towards the end of the year. Stuart Robson, UTV Live, Newcastle.